CopySmith AI, let's review this powerful content creation tool. Streamline your writing and boost your productivity with CopySmith. Want to elevate your content? Check the description for links and explore all its features. Designed for marketers, creators, and businesses, CopySmith generates high-quality copy quickly and efficiently. From product descriptions and blog posts to social media and ad copy, CopySmith has you covered. This AI writes natural, engaging, human-like text, saving you time on brainstorming and writing. Customize your content's tone, style, and format. Choose formal, casual, professional, or even creative, adapting to any audience or platform. Generating long-form content is a breeze. Create articles and blog posts from scratch or expand existing ideas with a few clicks. The intuitive interface is beginner-friendly, even for the non-tech savvy. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Google Docs and Shopify for a smooth workflow. The plagiarism checker keeps your content unique, and bulk content generation handles multiple projects. CopySmith AI is a game-changer for anyone needing high-quality content without endless writing. Its versatility, ease of use, and time-saving features make it a must-have. Try it yourself, links are in the description.